Okay. Well, we obviously didn't expect the decision because we wouldn't have known in advance how a court would act. And we disagreed with the decision immediately. So the immediate steps were to determine what power we had to respond to that. Obviously, that came in the form of the Department of Justice, came in the form of the CDC acting and putting out the statements that they did. But we also don't take photos of flights as data about how the country reacts to issues, as whether they're ripping off their masks or not. I mean, our focus here was seeing what power we had to preserve what we felt was in the public health interest of the country. Well, the president was answering the question quite literally, which means right now, as you know, we are not implementing the mask mandate because of the court order, which we disagree with. While he is still abiding by CDC guidance, and we recommend Americans do that across the country, they're still recommending people wear masks on airplanes, on Air Force One, which of course is a federal, not a private plane. We all wore masks on the plane when we traveled to New Hampshire yesterday. But people are not legally bound to wear masks. So it is a point in time where it is up to people, it is their choice in that regard. But what I will tell you is the CDC, obviously, as you noted, called for this extension because they wanted to look at more data. So I think we can all expect they're going to continue to want it. The Department of Justice is just waiting for that kind of final comment to take action and appealing. They said they would appeal. In terms of when they will appeal, I'll leave that to them to speak to. Why not a stay or an emergency appeal? They can speak to that. But what I would note, the objective here is of course, to appeal the 15-day extension, but also to preserve the CDC authority over the long term. Because as we've noted from here, we expect there to be ups and downs in the pandemic, and we certainly want the CDC to continue to have this authority.